Screenomatic it's a presentation recording tool for Mac or PC. So you are going to record all the things that you are going to do in this screen, also your voice, even computer sounds if you have a premium version. It is allowed to record 15 minutes. If you want more time, you must pay $15. It can be saved on desktop as MP4 file or uploaded on YouTube. When you want to use it in classroom, where teachers use their imagination and also their creativity, they can make tutorials or create tutorials of applications or websites, even how to develop an activity, explaining a topic either you want to share with your students. There are some cases that students are absent and you can send it to them and they can see it on YouTube or download it in their computers. Also, you can teach students how to use it and apply it as a project or another kind of activity.